Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am teacher Sarita. Today I am going to say a few lines on cleanliness. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the notification bell, and if you like my video, you can share to your friends, and if you want to write anything in the comment box, you are free to write. So I hope you will like this video. Cleanliness referred to the state of being clean and free from dirt, germs, and impurity. It is an important aspect of maintaining personal hygiene as well as ensuring the well being of individuals and the environment. Cleanliness can be achieved through regular bathing, washing hands, and cleaning and disinfecting living spaces. Practicing cleanliness helps prevent the spread of diseases and infections, as germs and bacteria thrive in dirty environments. It also promotes a sense of well being and mental clarity, as clutter and mess can create feelings of stress and overwhelm. Maintaining cleanliness is not only important for personal health but also for overall cleanliness and appearance of communities, workplaces, and public spaces. It is a shared responsibility that requires cooperation and effort from everyone to keep our surroundings clean and hygiene. In conclusion, practicing cleanliness is essential for maintaining a healthy and safe environment for ourselves and others. By making cleanliness a priority in our daily lives, we can promote good health, well-being, and a positive living environment to all. Thank you and keep watching my new upcoming videos. Bye and take care.